Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't already know, I am a pre-med student studying neuroscience at Northwestern University, and I've officially decided to move all my paper and pen notes onto a digital platform. So this iPad is 11 inches in space gray with 128 gigabytes, and I ordered it back in August, I believe August 25th. So I've waited a good month for it. So I'm really excited, and I can't wait to be taking better notes. Okay, so I am really struggling with the box here, but I got it out. So I am a huge Harry Potter fan, so I had Mischief Managed engraved on the back of the iPad, and you guys will see soon that I also had Marauder's map engraved on the Apple Pen. So yeah, let me know which Harry Potter house you're in, because I am a proud Slytherin. I got the paper-like screen protector because I read many reviews and everyone said that it made writing on an iPad much more satisfying. I've also read reviews on the tempered glass screen protector, and people said that it was difficult to control your pressure and it was difficult to write neater or to write in your natural handwriting, which is why I went with the paper-like. And here's me trying to apply the screen protector as carefully as possible. Honestly, this was a really nerve-wracking and anxiety-inducing experience because I just didn't want any air bubbles in my screen protector and I just wanted it to look perfect, so this took a lot longer than it probably should have. Yeah, so here's me aggressively cleaning the screen to get rid of any dust particles, and also me reading the directions on how to apply the screen protector. I've actually watched so many unboxing videos and so many of you guys applying the screen protector that by now I feel like I should be an expert, but I am still very nervous. I've watched so many unboxing videos and I've seen so many of you guys apply the screen protector that by now I feel like I should be an expert in it, but honestly I was still very nervous and I was trying to line up the screen protector as perfectly as I can. So here you see me micro adjusting the whole entire thing over and over again. Also, I know I'm talking a lot in this video, but I just didn't want you guys to sit in awkward silence watching me unbox an iPad. So also let me know in the comments below what type of videos you want to see in the future. I can totally share my schedule, my daily schedule as a Northwestern neuroscience major, as a pre-med student. I can totally talk about how I prepare for exams, how I prepare for my MCAT, which is coming up in January. I can also talk about how I take notes effectively and how I prepare for my classes, etc. So yeah, just a whole bunch of things that I would love to share with you guys. Okay, so I breathed a huge sigh of relief here because I got 0 air bubbles when I was applying it, and everything went on smoothly. I didn't have to do a reapplication, and this is my first time applying a screen protector by myself because usually my dad would do it for me, so I'm actually very proud. Also, I was trying to show my engraving here, but my camera didn't focus. But I promise you, it says mischief managed on the back. So for accessories, I only got the Apple Pen because I wasn't going to use my iPad as a replacement for my laptop. I actually have 2 perfectly working laptops, and the iPad was just, I guess, a fancier way of taking notes, which is why I decided to not get any keyboard attachments. And yes, if you guys hadn't noticed yet, I did record these on different days because my pen came way before my iPad came, and I was just too excited because I also wanted to see the engraving on the pen. So I just said, why not? I'm going to open this now and we will do the rest later. And the good news is my camera actually focused on the engraving this time, so you will see the Marauders map on the pen, and yeah, I was very pleased about this. I did get a case for the pen because 1, I thought it looked cute with the cat ears, and 2, it probably helps my grip because the pen itself is pretty slim and slippery. I also decided to get some silicone tip protectors for the Apple Pen because the paper-like screen protector can actually dull or fray the tip of the pen, and the Apple Pen is really expensive, so I do not want to be replacing that anytime soon. Okay, getting the pen into its silicone case was very difficult, and I just had to do this off camera. It was just not happening. Yay, so I actually got it on, and I think getting the pen into the case in hindsight took a lot longer than applying the screen protector. I also got a sleeve for my iPad, and this one is really nice because it's not bulky at all. It's very slim and fits into my bag nicely. It also has insulation to help with any, I guess, pressure that's being put on your iPad, such as if you put your bag horizontally and you just have books laying on top of it, it could prevent your iPad from getting damaged. It also has a nice soft inner layer which can help protect your iPad screen from getting scratched, which is really nice. If you didn't know this by now, I was going for an all gray theme. I don't know why. I guess I just wanted everything to match the color of my iPad, and I think gray is such a cool, sleek color that never goes out of fashion. So yeah, that's kind of why. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. As always, please like and subscribe if you want to see how I take notes on my iPad, how I organize my schedule, how quarantine Zoom University is going. It is my senior year, and it was not the senior year I expected, but I have faith that everything's going to turn out right. And yeah, if you just want to come and study with me, see how I'm preparing for my MCATs and my exams, yeah, see you guys around.